good, YouTube? I am ADIDAS, and this is another video. As you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, of course, I'm unboxing some Yeezy slides, but I'm going to switch it up today. Since it's a pair of slides, you know, the usual unboxing and review, it's not the same. So what I'm going to do is actually give you guys my thoughts and opinions on if, you know, they're worth the money. You know, it's a Yeezy slide, of course. It's hyped up because it's Yeezy. But I'll be the one to take the L for you guys. Or, you know, the W. It just depends on how it goes. I got this idea from Sniper Jones, so shout out Snipe. He had a similar joint, like I said, are they worth the money? I know he loves them, so I figured I'll test them out myself. Initially, I mean, I always liked them, but it was one of those, like, do I really need another pair of slides? So I passed on the initial release, and apparently a good amount of people did as well. But once I started seeing them more, like Soul Resell on TikTok, if you have a TikTok, he does, I mean, Soul Resell, I mean, he's a reseller. And he, every, like, meetup, he had, like, mismatch Yeezy slides on. So, like, the more I see him, I was like, yo, these drinks are alright. So, Adidas, they restocked. Well, they released 2 new colors. Then they restocked this color that I'm about to show you guys right here. And I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and try it. So, I was on the Adidas site maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. And then I got through. I was like, oh, I couldn't believe it because I thought they were going to sell out instantly. So, it's like the resale is crazy. I'll probably go ahead and link. Yeah, right here. I'll probably put up like a screenshot or whatever, a GOAT in StockX. Let's see what they're going for now. And got the typical Yeezy box, but you got slide on it. Nothing crazy. You know, Yeezy slide made by Adidas. Then you got the size 13. Now, in all my Adidas slides, they run small, so I get a 13. And from like all the reviews and everything, the Yeezy slide isn't any different. So Yeezy slide in that bone colorway. This is my favorite colorway out of every pair they released so far. But if he drops a black one, I'll probably get that too. So let's see. So here you have it. The Yeezy slides in that bone colorway. I know a lot of people don't like them. They say they look like prison slides. Yeah, sorry about that. Siri started tripping. So I was saying, a lot of people say they look like prison slides, but I'm a fan of these, man. I'm all for like being comfortable, and I feel like the Yeezy slides, they put you in like, they take you to the next level of comfort. So like regular Nike slides, Adidas slides, or whatever slides you choose to wear, they're more like bummy attire. Like bummy not as in like you're homeless, but like you're just throwing something on. So like regular basketball shorts, balling shorts, workout shorts. You throw on like a random graphic tee or an old t-shirt you have in the closet, and you just throw some slides on. You're chilling, but you're not like, let me see. You're not really trying to make a fashion statement. You're just comfortable doing whatever. But I feel like with the Yeezy slides, that's one of those shoes that you would throw on with the soccer pants, of course. You might switch it up with the Fair God sweats, any of the Essential sweats, or like the Just Don NBA shorts, or any of the Mitchell & Ness throwback NBA shorts. They just take you to the next level. Then with the t-shirt, you still might throw on like a plain shirt, just plain white tee or something, but it'd be like a new t-shirt. It wouldn't be one of those old ones. So like a graphic tee, you'll get something that kind of stands out more. So I feel like, you know, you got the normal slides, you got the Yeezy slide wear, and then you get up to like wearing shoes. But I feel like the Yeezy slides will be, you can kind of substitute them for like wearing regular shoes with an outfit. But I mean, that's my take on it. And like I said, once I wear them a few times, I'll come back and finish this video and let you know what I think. Okay, it's been a month, so I'm finally back to finish off this video. As you can see, these have definitely been worn. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. It's like a little scuff right there. I got some more up here, some wear and tear. So yeah. As far as comfort, I definitely put these over like your standard Nike slides, Adidas slides, Polo, any of like your standard slides or flip flops. I definitely put these Yeezy slides over top of that. So right out the bat, I mean, that's already a win. You're getting your money's worth, definitely. So comfort wise, it checks out. I would say they're right under Crocs because I wear Crocs as well. Shout out to Crocs if you're trying to sponsor me. You know, I'm all for it. You feel me? But yeah, I would put them under Crocs. Definitely above like your standard slide. Even your designer slides. I mean, you're paying like, I mean, if you know about designer slides, then you know how much you're paying for them. So I don't have to get into that. But you're paying that much money and they're not that comfortable. If they're not comfortable at all, I should say. And I know from experience. So definitely comfort wise, the Yeezy slides are definitely worth the money. What else? Price. If you get them for retail, I would say definitely go for retail. Let me pull up some prices real quick. And once I pull them up, I will have them over here somewhere so you can see what I'm looking at. So we go. If I can find them in my size, which is a 13, so on GOAT right now, a new pair in my size 13, $314. And that's coming from another seller, and they have to ship to GOAT to verify, you know, make sure your shoe is legit. And the pre-verified price is $363. And that is like before tax and shipping. So $314 right now on GOAT. Let me try StockX. Okay, let's see. Size 13, StockX. The last sale was $251. The retail price is $55. $55. I believe that's like $10 more than Crocs. So that's why I try to put them in that kind of category. But bro, don't overpay for these slides, man. Like if you want them, I understand. Do what you gotta do to get them. But a $55 slide should not be selling for $300, bro. That's crazy. I mean, I know it's easy, it's hyped up, but bro, come on, bro. It's not that deep. But I mean, hey, I can't tell you how to spend your money because you can't tell me how to spend my money. So I get it. If you want it, whatever. Personally, the resale market, that's all hype for these joints. Like if you can get them for retail, I would get them. I would get these slides for retail all day, every day. Like I said, if they come out with a black pair, I'm gonna do my best to get them. And if I can get like a crazy color as well, so I got the core, you know, the bone colorway. That's like the lighter joint. Get an all black one, and then just one crazy color like a bright orange or like a lime green or something like that. I'm set. I'm good with Yeezy slides. I don't need any more Yeezy slides. But I mean, hey, I would. It's crazy. I didn't. They actually the prices went up because when I initially filmed the unboxing, I believe they were like $2 something. But wow. So don't overpay for Yeezy slides. Please don't overpay for Yeezy slides. I didn't know they were going for that much. That's crazy. But yeah, man, like comfort wise, it's there. Like the looks, the way you can dress them up or dress them down, however you wanna do it. Like it's heat. But as far as the price, the aftermarket price, the resale price, that's all hype. That is strictly hype, and I refuse to do that. I mean, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I won for a month, as much as I could within this month time span. And it's been exactly a month. What's today? The 20th, and I believe I filmed that unboxing September 20th. So it's been a month. So I wanted to get a few wears in there before I gave you like my honest opinion. And yeah, they're definitely comfortable. Like I love them. Anytime I get a chance to throw them on, yeah, they're going straight to feet. So now I would definitely love to get another pair, but retail only. I cannot stress this enough. Retail only. Like 313, you can get a regular pair of 350s for 313. If I can find some 350s real quick on StockX or GOAT in that price range, I would throw it up right here. Like that is ridiculous, bro. But shout out to the resellers that's getting that money. Because the last set on StockX, 251. So somebody's buying these joints. When was this? And that was October 19th, 2020 at 5:18 p.m. So that was yesterday. Somebody paid 251. Also, yesterday, 3 sales. The highest sale yesterday was at 9:16 in the morning for $290. I mean, hey, so if you're watching this, man, I'm sorry you overpaid. You got finesse. You got finesse. Like it's a $55 sandal. A $55 sandal. Sandal. Not a 350. Not a 380. Not a 500. Not a 700. A slide with no boost technology, no laces. You can't even wear them when it's raining. You can't work out in them. $290. For $290, I would advise you to get some MCM slides, Gucci slides. I would say Versace, but you might have to catch them on sale, or maybe like the rubber ones might be cheaper. I don't even want to get into all that, but oh man, that's crazy, bro. But like I said, do what you want with your money. You earned it. You saved up, whatever, and that's what you really wanted. I'm happy for you. I'm happy that you found a slide, the color that you wanted, the size you wanted, and I hope that everything works out as far as StockX and GOAT. You know, making sure they're authentic, so I don't want you spending all that money on something fake. So, we'll throw that out of the way, man. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just try something different, especially with the slide. I didn't want to do like a regular unboxing because, like I said, it's a slide. So, if you made it this far, man, I appreciate you. I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching. 300 subscriber giveaway is coming very soon. As I'm filming, we're at 270 right now. So hopefully by the time I drop this video, that number has gone up. But I mean, if not, it's all good, man. We're growing steadily, so you can't rush it, man. You know, you gotta trust the process. And I will link, well, I guess I can go ahead and get like a sneak preview. I will do like a separate video with the giveaway, but I'm going to do a giveaway with Dreamed It, aka Style by D Borders. I would definitely link that video up there so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But it's like a custom hoodie or a custom crew neck, custom Letterman jacket, whatever you decide that you want to collab with them on. It'd be like a custom one of one, something special. I did an AI hoodie, like I said. Watch the video so you can see what I'm talking about a little bit more so you can understand. But I feel, you know, I want to give back, even though I'm not making any money off YouTube yet. I'm not monetized. I need like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But I mean, that's not important right now. What's important is that you are here watching me right now, and thank you. At least it keeps me motivated to keep dropping these videos. It lets me know somebody's interested. Somebody wants to see what I have to say. So, what was I saying? I went off on a whole rant. I really lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I wanted to do something. You know, it's getting close to the holidays, so maybe if you want to get something for your significant other, maybe your father, your mom, your brother, cousin, nephew, something special. You know, like I said, it'd be one winner, maybe two. I haven't decided yet, but I know it'd be at least one winner. I will, you know, give you all the rules in a separate video once we get close to that. But yeah, it is something dope. You know, it's definitely quality and it's free of charge for you guys. Like I said, I will be paying for it, and like I will get into that in another video. But just throwing it out there. So if you're here and you're new, thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out to watch me. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw. Drop a like on the video. Comment, you know, what do you think about the Yeezy slides? You feel like they're, you know, it's hype just because there's Kanye name attached to it? You think they're ugly? Would you ever spend the money on them? Because I know a lot of people don't like Kanye. A lot of people don't like Yeezys as a whole. But a lot of people had mixed signals, or mixed feelings, I should say, about the slides. I was one of them. But like I said, once I started seeing them more and more, they grew on me. But I would never, ever, ever pay resale for a pair of slides. It's not gonna happen. It's been your boy ADIDAS, man, with another video. I'll holler at you on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.